Good morning and welcome to The Becoming Trader. I'm your host, Christian Kamp. I'm The Becoming Trader. So yeah, let's dive into the markets. I'm going to try and not be too long this morning. Okay, so old CHF. What do we see? We see that there was a bit of downturn. There's a bit of ranging going on here. There's a bit of ranging going on. Yeah, so it's not much to come home about. It's gone up, didn't break through there. We'll see where it goes. Old USD. As you know, I've got a trade in here, and yeah, so it is also ranging a little bit. Hopefully it just breaks through there and then it'll probably go down. That's what I'm aiming for. We've gone through that point there. We've broke that point there. The next goal will be this point here. So I actually want this alert over that, just so that I know, because then I can take partial profits. I think that's a 1-to-1 roughly. Let's look here. So that is 496 odd. 530 here. So I can take a little profit there. Okay, so yeah, that's that. CAD CHF. Start with a weekly. We're obviously heading down. Daily, we're heading down. Actually, this might be a good trade to come in here. This might be a good trade to come in here. What I'll be looking for is if this gets broken, alert there, or if this week monthly gets broken. What I'm looking for is we're definitely in a premium. We're definitely in premium. There is see, that's a very strong close there. That's a very strong close there. So what I'm thinking is that we can actually use this to our advantage, and even go down to the 15 maybe. Yeah, see, there's not much liquidity going down there. This might be a good sell point. Like even that's a good 3-to-1, you know. That did close over that, so that did take that liquidity up there. That's a 4-hour. I would probably like this a little bit further up. And then this can go further down, that can go point there. Yeah, because we are heading down. We haven't broke that, but it is slowing down as well. So our daily range is here, and yeah, that's our daily range. It's good 3-1. I think it's actually a good trade that. So we'll stop. What's this? Yeah. Yeah, I think that's actually a good. What might happen is it goes down, and then I'm just not sure where it will react. It could come down. There's a nice change character. I think so. Okay. Yep, you saw my first live. My first live trade. Let's see how that one goes. Let's come back into that area of demand. So we have weekly time frame. We have structure. We have supply and demand. We have liquidity. We've taken out this liquidity here. This whole thing here. There's still a little bit of liquidity there, but we've taken out the liquidity, and yeah, order flow is bearish. You can see by this order flow here. We're in premium, and yeah, there was a fractal break. Well, there was that fractal break there, but we have a fractal break. Yeah. Okay. Euro old. That seems to be ranging within that. So yeah, it's a bit too late for that. Too late for that. So 4 hourly. We've broken that structure there. So we're in between these two structures here. Yeah, we took liquidity from there and actually crashed, Yeah. So we took that and then broke through. Yeah, so we'll see what happens there. Euro JPY, we are looking good here. I'd like to see this range here closed above that range there. So yeah, I'd love to see that range there. I'd like to see that be closed. So what if I can create an alert? Alert. Moving up. Yeah, I have to trigger. I have to learn about this. But I don't know that. Okay. Yeah. So if it closes above that, what I might do is take partial profits. So when is the next 9 o'clock? So 9 o'clock. So what I can I put an alert for 9 o'clock price. Yeah, it doesn't. Okay. Yeah, it's. I can't do for time on here. I'll have to look on here. JPY. Go to alerts. That. Create an alert. Time equals. What's this on here? So that's 4. So 8. So time 25 minutes. Create alert. See how that works. Yeah, it's very confusing. But I think, yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I have to figure out the time thing. Okay, Euro USD. We're still within that current fractal range. So I'm not too sure where this is going. Let's look at the daily. Yeah, we're in that. We're still ranging within that. I think it's going to recover a bit and go up. We've taken out liquidity. We've taken out. That is strong. Yeah. So what I'm looking for is definitely this to be broken. Yeah, could have actually been a good idea to get into that range there, to be honest. Could have been a good idea to get into this range here. So if you had that there, if you See, on the 4 hour we're on the 4 hour we're ranging down. What does a DXY say? DXY says, well, DXY says it's getting stronger. That could be a good area to so there's so much liquidity here that hasn't been taken. XY. There's so much liquidity. GBP CAD, we're slowly going up. We're still within that range there. So actually it might be a good range to get in here on the 4 hourly. See that white candle. Yeah, this point here. That cell, yes, to narrow that cell, okay, it didn't take up this liquidity here. It's the only downside is that did not take that liquidity, which is something that I would hope would have happened to have that change of character. You have it on the 4 hourly, but yeah, I don't have that change of character confidence, so because it might go lower than here. GBP/USD, it's reacting to that strong area there and going up a bit. We'll see how far it goes up. We'll see how far it goes up. It's reacting to that point there, it could react to that point there. What's this, NZD/USD? We're going lower, are we? I think the next aim will be here, to be honest. I think NZD is very weak, and the next goal will be to hit that point there. NZD/USD, that's the 4 hour. We'll see, it'll be there. USD CAD. We're in between those ranges there. Hi. Okay, and finally, we're going back to the monthly open. We're not really. USD is ranging a little bit, just recovering from its hype. So I don't think I'm looking to take anything in USD. This is recovering back up. So yeah, we'll see where that goes. And then BTC USD, on the daily we're still, where are we? We probably have changed. Yeah, we've changed direction. We're going down now, but we're reacting to this, and we're going back up. So it depends where we head once we head. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, thanks for joining. Update on my channel. I'm creating a Becoming Trader Discord. I'll put the link in probably tomorrow in the description, and once it's up and ready, and yeah, then I will share screenshots and trade ideas, and we can discuss things on there. So yeah, so if you want, you can join that, and we can see how we're doing. So thanks for joining on Becoming Trader. And yeah, stay diligent, stay profitable. I'll see you tomorrow.